So how was the result? I guess you really enjoyed it. This text to video generator will give you the boss result ever. But the most important thing is that this is 100% free. So let's start the video. So come to this website. I have given the link in the description. By clicking on that link, you will come to this interface. Here you will have to give the prompt and click submit. It takes hardly 1 minute to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, here is the result. Just download it from here. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you wanna support us, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.